Alright, so I'm using OneNote here, Microsoft OneNote, and it's one of my favorite note-taking softwares. I just kind of wanted to go through and show some basic features that this software offers. So, as mentioned in the paper that's going to be attached with this assignment, mimics a binder. So you can essentially write on paper on your computer. So for example, I'll take a note on this page, and we'll go ahead, we'll mark the title as Project Management. And then within this, as mentioned, is like a binder. So I can write anywhere on the page. Or I can even go over here and say, this is also a note. So that is a really cool feature, depending on what you're taking notes on. Obviously, sometimes that can get a little frustrating for specific tasks. But personally, I like it. It allows me to take different notes, keep my notes in order and in some shape or fashion, and I can categorize them in different ways. Along with the rest of the Microsoft Office suite that most individuals may or may not be familiar with, you can still go through and you can format your text and everything like you would. You can change your font, you can change your font size. It still offers highlight features and things of that nature. So for example, like I said, we can go ahead and we can continue to create different sections as well. So this was just the default tab on the page, quick notes. So pretend I have another class that I'm working for. I can go ahead and keep those notes under this tab, and I can create as many pages as I may want for, different units, different projects, things of that nature. And then one other cool feature that I wanted to highlight in this video is the integration with other Microsoft softwares. So I can go ahead and go up to the top here, hit insert, and then I can attach any file that I would like. And so we'll just go here, we'll go to documents, and we'll pick this page. And so it says the name of my file and shows me a printout of the entire assignment that I actually completed before this video. So that's one of my favorite features. And then you can also do the same thing with a spreadsheet. I don't know that I have any spreadsheets on my device, so I'm not sure I'll be able to highlight that option for us. But let me double check. Okay, no, unfortunately I don't. I can go in and here, I'll make one real quick. So I don't even have to go in to Microsoft Excel to do this. It will bring the sheet directly into here, and you can go ahead and click this edit button to do so. And one last feature that I really enjoy that I'm not sure that I'll be able to show you guys is the writing. I'll be able to do something here, but this is typically based for 2-in-1s or tablet-based devices. But if I write my name out, oh, it got a little crazy there. Actually, I'm going to try something else here. I want to show you a similar feature to this, but we'll go ahead and do 5 plus 2 equals, oh, so there, it's kind of like an on-screen reader. And as I mentioned, it's not as convenient for desktop users having to carry around a mouse or anything like that. But if you're working on a tablet or a 2-in-1 and you have a stylus, you can actually still take your notes by hand rather than having to type them. So these are just some of my favorite features that OneNote offers. They're leaps and bounds more, but just these few small things are one of the biggest reasons that I believe OneNote is one of the best note-taking softwares.